Okay na, what's up guys? Another day, another vlog, another bike for today's video. Na-drop off na natin yung Shopee. Receive lahat, walang return. Balik na tayo sa bike shop. Okay ng truck oh. Tara, balik na tayo sa bike shop. Na-drop off na natin lahat. Yan. Ride out na, ride out. Time check, 2:42. Meron din dito application stainless. Yan. Most Holy Redeemer Parish Church, Brixton Hills, corner Landerton Street, Barangay Hall, Carlos Albert High School. Junk shop, diesel calibration, gas supply, dito, flower, Siat Funeral Service, interior depot, yan, bandang kanan mo, Celltron Marketing, One Way, Innovative Solution, dito, Ikanchip, Video, East West, yan, dito sa Araneta. China Bank, savings, Mortis, base head bridge, audio video, equipment, machinery, ME, enterprise, marketing, operation. Good guys, dito lagi maraming ginagawa dyan guys. Paggawa ng sasakyan, good guys, under chassis expert and auto works, mugs and tires, import elements, yan dito, import elements, yan off-road car accessory, facelift, body kits, yan, Pioneer Car Entertainment, may auto seat interior, yan, meron din dito. Bosch measuring tools yan, sa Vertex Tools. Nakita Getsun, Dimsum, Goodyear, meron din ditong Goodyear. AUV Bank sa kaliwa, Metrogas, Decor, Provincedale, Barangay Santol, dito naman sa kanan. Construction supplies, yan. At saka kaliwa naman din, Arlington. Yan. John PC Shop. John PC Shop. Sarap dito, fried chicken, Amaron, ito mga battery naman dito sa gulong, Motolite meron din dito, mga battery, yan, Mega Force, 2-force magnetic, mga battery. Yun lang. Kumilipit yung RD natin guys. Gawin muna natin. Siraan tayo. Stop over muna.